Welcome to GITEX Insights 2025. I am joined by Jeff Jacob from ASUS. Hi Jeff, how are you doing today?
Hi, thank you for having me.
Thanks for coming here. So, can you just kick us off with how is ASUS supporting customers in the region to manage new AI workloads on the latest NVIDIA platform?
Well, ASUS has been partnering with NVIDIA for the past 2 decades, both on the consumer side as well the commercial enterprise side. Initial years when NVIDIA was launching a enterprise GPU, we were not in the first tier, let's say. But today, each time NVIDIA crosses the barrier, coming up with a new, state-of-the-art GPU, ASUS is in the first tier. So, like for example, tomorrow, NVIDIA is launching the Spark, which is like the miniaturized super AI computer with the GB10 GPU. Mm-hmm. We've got our version, which is called the ASUS Accent GX10.
Okay.
So when NVIDIA today launches anything new, we are there on board with them. So that's one aspect of ASUS which has changed over the years.
Okay.
And then when we look at their top-end GPU right now is in the enterprise space, server space, is the GB300 server, which has got 72 GPUs and it's a liquid-cooled solution. So we are also there in the tier 1 launch phase. And we've got some requests from this region too. So that way we are offering whatever NVIDIA is offering its customers. We are one of the mediums through which they offer. Mm-hmm. Yeah. So that's basically the gist of the NVIDIA story.
Okay. And what are the main challenges companies face when upgrading their device setups as a part of commercial transformation? And how does ASUS help address them?
Well, not customers, generally people are skeptical about the AI concept. Mm-hmm. There are instances when people feel, oh, my job's going to be taken away by AI. And that's the general talk, right?
Right.
So companies have to start adopting AI as a tool rather than fear it. So companies like Microsoft, they came up with something called Copilot, right? Now, not many people use it, thinking that, oh, it's going to read the way I'm going to type an email or it's going to observe what I'm doing, things like that. But they don't realize it's also teaching you and learning. So companies need to adopt the new, whatever new comes, people need to be open-minded to adopt it and not fear it. Yeah. So organizations in the region, not only in the region, across the world, when adopting new technology, should firstly be open to it and plus have change makers within the organization, who, let's say there is a huge bank. I mean, they obviously have an IT CIO, they have a finance head. So instead of the traditional job titles, you could also have somebody called the AI officer, like the government of UAE. Yeah. They have like an AI officer in each government department. A few years ago, when nobody had an AI minister, UAE was one of the first to have the AI minister. So it is something which organizations should learn to adapt. Newer technology, be open to it, do not fear it. And ASUS as a company, we provide the hardware required for it. We also have solutions which we can offer along with our ecosystem partners. We've got a company which is a sovereign AI company in UAE who offers use case scenarios for AI. What happens today is people spend a lot of money on hardware. They buy, I want to be AI enabled and stuff, and companies actually acquire a lot of hardware, paying millions of dollars, and they lie there without any use. So what people require today is not just the hardware, they need to have solutions to offer the customers, actual use case scenarios. So that's how organizations should kind of adopt newer technology.
And how does ASUS ensure its solutions deliver performance and reliability for AI-intensive commercial applications?
Well, I mentioned the ASUS GX10, right? So this is like A few years ago, to have one petaflop of AI performance, you needed like a huge workstation with multiple GPUs and things. Today, this is like a miniature AI supercomputer, which can actually serve the purpose. You can actually connect two of them with a connector and actually get performance which used to be done by, say, multiple servers in the past. So yeah, I mean, these kind of user-friendly and customer-centric products is something which ASUS is offering customers. And plus, with our ecosystem partners who can provide liquid cool solutions, we've got Schneider, and then we've got another company who actually provides modular data centers, which means like if you need AI power in the middle of the desert, you can actually, have a data center which can be moved into the desert. So we've got partners like that who can customize based on an end customer's requirement. So that's how we're trying to, incorporate ASUS solutions to help customers reach their potential.
Thanks, Jeff. Thanks for
Thank
great
you very much.
insights.